Hi all, welcome back to my channel Sheenatics. In the previous lecture, we have seen that our 8086 microprocessor has 20-bit address lines. So it can access around 2 raised to 20 memory locations, resulting in a total memory of 1 megabyte. Today we will see how this memory is segmented and how to calculate the physical address of a particular location. Here we can represent the entire 1 megabyte memory using address bits starting from 00000H to FFFFFH in hexadecimal representation. And this address is called a physical address. In 8086, this memory is segmented into code segment, stack segment, data segment, and extra segment. Each segment is having a size of 64 KB. As the name indicates, code segment is used to store the program codes and stack segment is for stack memory. Data and the extra segments are used to hold the data. The starting address of each segment is called segment address. For example, you can see here a code segment started with an address 6000H. So this 6000H is called segment address, the starting address of a segment. One more address is there that is called offset address. If we want to access the content in a particular location, here it is indicated by a red line from the code segment. How much distance we have to move from the starting address to that particular location is called offset address. In this example, the distance from the starting address 6000H to that particular location, which is indicated by the red line, is 5304H. So here 5304H is called offset address. So far we have studied about three addresses: physical address, segment address, and offset address. Physical address is the actual address of the memory. But this memory is segmented, so each segment is having a starting address that is called segment address. From that starting address, how much we have to move to get the content of a particular location is called offset address. Let's see the relation and uses of these addresses. Suppose we want to access a content in the memory, which is indicated by the physical address 65304H. But the problem is that if we convert this address into binary, it is a 20-bit address. But we have only 16-bit registers in 8086. So we can't store this 20-bit address directly to the microprocessor registers. But we know that our memory is segmented. In this particular example, the content is in the code segment. So to get that physical address, firstly, we will take this segment address, that is starting address of that segment. It is a 16-bit number. So we have to convert it into 20-bit by multiplying it with a 10H. Hope you are familiar with the hex to binary conversion. So here our segment address is 6000H into 10H means 60,000H. Then we have to add it with our offset address. Our offset address is 5304. So 60,000 plus 5304H will result in 65,304H. That is same as our physical address. So we can say physical address equal to segment address into 10H plus offset address. Hope it's clear for you. Thank you.